Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make viral stick figure animation for faceless content. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Stick figures are a powerful tool visual storytelling. They simplify complex ideas and make them accessible to wider audience. With stick figure, you can convey emotions, action, and narrative effectively. They often resonate with the viewer due to their relatability and simplicity. Whether you are creating educational content, marketing materials, or personal project, stick figure can enhance your message. So what if you want to create it? It's very simple. So first of all the tools that you need to create this stick figure is first, of course, Canva. And we need to create the voiceover. So before that, you can open your ChatGPT and create the script for your voiceover. For the result, I made this script. I asked the ChatGPT to make me a script about motivation. Now, to create it from text to speech, you can use tools 11 Labs. You can search on your browser 11 Labs. If you don't know how to use these tools, you can watch on my previous video. I've made the video before about how to sign up, how to use the 11 Labs. After that, you can log in into your account, and then from here, there is a feature text to speech. You can select on that. You can enter this script to here, text to speech, and then you can select on the voice that you want to use for your
As we are
video.
liberated from our own fear, our presence.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So here's you can use the voice that you want to create, and also in here you can select for the speed, stability, similarity, style exaggeration, and speaker boost. And you can generate speech. The
The thing
result will
always
be like
happens that you
this.
really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes
After
it
that,
happen.
after these 11 labs, generate your speech. You can download it, but I have done it before. So now we can open the Canva. You can go to new project, select on the video. From here, you can select on the template for YouTube video landscape. So here's the blank page. Now you can enter first the voiceover. So you can upload the files. So here's the voiceover. So we can make the duration same like the voiceover. You can adjust.
Do you ever feel stuck, like nothing is moving forward even though you have big dreams? I used to feel that way too.
Now you can change the background. You can use the solid color. Maybe you want to make it black, blue, or but it's more interesting if you use elements from here, like pepper background. For example, we use it. You can adjust the size. Now we're done about the background. You can like it. Now you can hear the voice first.
Do you ever feel stuck, like
Now you can just stop from here, and then you can search on the elements for the stickman. You can see all. I will choose this, but before that, you can select on the three dots on the graphics, and you can view more about the stickman with this account. You can see all. If you hear on the first sentences
Do you ever feel stuck?
feel stuck, it means like confused, so you can search for confused in here. So you can search for the stickman graphics. You can enter, and then you can enter the text in here. You can change the font, the text font. Make it bigger, like this. You can also change the color to make it more interesting. Like maybe you want to use red color. Let's hear it.
Do you ever feel stuck?
Now, because it's too short, if we split it here, so you can just, if you can't split it, you can just crop it, but let's hear it first.
Do you ever feel stuck?
So we stop in here, stuck. For the next page, let's hear it.
Like nothing is moving forward even though you have big dreams?
Okay, from here we split the page, but I can't. Okay, from here. You can change the animation. Maybe, for example, you want to use this. Like this. You can change the text too.
Moving forward even though you have big dreams? I
And
used
then
to feel that way
you
too.
can do the
My
same
days were
thing for
busy.
the next sentence. And I will make it quick. So the result will be like this. Sorry. Okay, the result will be like this.
Do you ever feel stuck? Like nothing is moving forward even though you have big dreams? I used to feel that way too. My days were busy, but I wasn't really growing. Then I decided to start small, reading a few pages every day, watching short lessons online, and trying new things. Step by step, I felt more confident and started to see new chances open up. If you feel stuck, remember, you're the best thing you can invest in. Keep learning, keep trying. Even small steps today can build a future you'll be proud of.
Now, after you finish edit it on Canva, you can also add sounds, audio on this animation. You can select sound or audio from Canva in here, audio. Maybe this one, or maybe you want to use this one. For example, you want to use it, but before that, you can maybe adjust the volume. Like volume, this, and let's hear it.
Ever feel stuck? like nothing is moving forward even though you have big dreams? I used to feel that way too. My days were
If it's still too bigger, you can adjust.
busy, but I wasn't really growing. Then I
Like
decided to
this.
start small, reading a few pages every day.
Now, after you finish, you can just save it. You can select on share, download. You can choose the file type and the quality. After that, you can download it. You can wait. After that, you can share this to your YouTube channel. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create viral stick figure animation for faceless content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!